Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Lekon Rognaza. Alessandro, good morning. Good morning, Silvio Naza. Mr. Mario Naza, good morning, guys. Preparați iPhone Naza. Mark, good morning. Or good evening, not sure what is there. Morning, guys. Let's have a coffee together. A short coffee today. Good morning. Just grab a coffee. Coffee is so good. How is the weather? It's nice. I mean, it's about 20, 21 degrees. It's nice for the moment. It will start getting worse from the next week. Good morning. Electrofix, good morning. So, how is everyone? Huh? Everyone is fine? How the work is going? Everyone making money from the repairs? Huh? Good morning. People are crazy on Discord. Reboot, good morning. Good morning. I was watching Discord and you can see what the people are sharing on Discord. Good technicians. They are working. They are working hard. uh, people are crazy. They are sharing anything. Mig, good morning. Why you don't use anymore your cooling fan? Because my cooling fan is on the garden door. Because I'm cleaning the Hoover filters. I have like 3, 4 Hoovers, like car Hoover, handheld Hoover, and and 2 normal. So no, 4 Hoovers, and I clean the filters. Very good morning. No name. Good morning. Here in Austria, we have 0 degrees in this morning. It was like 10 degrees few days here in England in the morning. But yeah, Austria is a nice country. Yeah, I've been there when on my way to Romania. Proper nice roads. Laptop fix Naza. Morning, guys. Morning. Coffee. Concediu, nu știu ce e la concediu. Na. So, we are speaking about what today? You have anything to share? You need any help? I can help. Any problems? You know what? A good advice can value a lot. I was trying to fix my ham radio in the last 2 days. My ham radio antenna. So I bought a new analyzer, brand new. Then after 2 days, I have a friend today told me, you know what? Probably your rig expert analyzer is not calibrated. And it is making sense. So now I realize I don't even need to check. I know for sure it's not calibrated. So probably someone probably the product is second hand, it's not brand new. And someone play with the calibration and it's not calibrated. So yeah, you know, just an idea or an advice can do a lot. George and Natsa. In sympathy, good morning. Colleague, good morning. It's still quite warm here in Italy. Amar, good morning. Morning, guys. Just taking the opportunity to thank you. Proton, thank you very much. Thank you. Problems with your antenna? I changed the cable and I changed the balloon. So I try to tune the antenna. And everything start going crazy. I mean, when the things are going crazy, they are making no sense. So 2 days, trying to do the things and didn't work. Morning from New York City. Ha! I seen yesterday Dexter. No, 2 days ago. Episode 9. No, 8. No, 9. Yeah. Proper nice. Kid, good morning. Hey, Ralph, good morning. Happy to see you here. Just grab a coffee. Yeah, grab a coffee and enjoy the day. Lucian, da. It's all fixed now. By the way, I'm telling you something because this is a business. I was struggling to make a video recording with my camera microscope. It's allowed to read. It's not allowed to read, Sylvia. You just take my advice. I have the old one. I think I threw it in the bin. No, it's still here. So this is rubbish. Okay, this is rubbish. Just throw it in the bin. And you go on the AliExpress and buy the one you can focus. Has like a focus ring. And it's not about the focus. It's about. I mean, check this hole. This is like a small hole. The one with the focus has a lens like this side. So yeah, this is proper rubbish. JFix, good morning. I took your advice, JFix. Actually, I didn't took your advice. I stole something from you. I stole the idea, and now I have some nice proper probes. We show me nearly 0 ohms from what 0.1. You can believe that? Yeah, mechanic probes. Proper nice. Jeremy, good morning. I seen in your video, you have some blue probes, and I watch and I seen they are mechanic, and yeah. And I bought a lot because you don't know if they are fake or actually they are proper. So check here. I can bet I have more. I can bet. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I have more. So check here. All mechanic. So now I have good probes. Yeah. I mean, my probes are so rubbish. I can't even check ohms. You know what I mean? I don't understand because they have the same price on Amazon. You know, the probes I had before, like Amazon, like £4 or £5. But compared with the mechanic one, are proper rubbish. Morning. I brush you too. Good morning. It is a good brand, yeah, Luchan. Yeah. Now, this is a business. Yeah, listen. You know my mouse? My mouse? You know, I love this mouse because it's small in the first place. Then the scroll. Yeah, you spin once and check here. It's still spinning. You can see it? Check that. It's still spinning. Yeah, now stop. So my mouse button start clicking twice. Like, you know. So I try to fix the button. I didn't know how to put it back. Then I opened the second one, and the second one I messed it up. And I said, you know what? I lost the money. And this is an expensive mouse. I mean, about 60, 70 pounds, something like that. And I found out actually on you can buy switches like mouse switches from Amazon, from eBay, from like exactly the same serial number, the same model. Yeah, no, I bought. 1 second, let me see where they are. I bought them. Yeah, uh, are somewhere. Yeah, I put them somewhere. I'm not sure where. Yeah, here. Go check here. I mean, exactly because on the switch you will find a serial number or model number, and yeah, you have like a bunch of switches with like £3 from Amazon. Yeah, Omron switch exactly. Yeah, exactly. And I fix my mouse. Yeah, I fix my mouse. Specialist, happy to help. Happy to help. Actually, it's black. What do you mean the switches? I bought them based on the model number. I bought exactly the same model number. I'm going to show you. 1 second. Orders. Yeah, here. So check here. This one's like £4 for like 10 switches. And this is the model number. You can see you purchase this item 20. Yeah. Because I thought I have to throw it in the bin. But no. I replaced the switches and they're working fine. Yeah. I didn't know actually you can buy mouse switches. It's white, Amer, it's white. Yeah. Now, the last Epoch season 3, it's up. And next week, PoE 2, new league, it will come on. It will be released. So if you are a gamer, have in mind, I'm gonna play a lot. Not sure what kind of content I will upload in the next week. Ayuyuk, hi. Ha! That's dodgy, Silvio. That's dodgy. Can you please share the link? Yeah, of course I can share the link. That's improvisation? What do you mean? Dennis, try to use English so I can we can understand. 60 pound to the bin. You transistor, good morning. Afternoon for you. What vapor? What flavor and vape? Havana tobacco. Havana tobacco. A link to the probes. I bought my many. So if you go to AliExpress, probably I bought like one from each. That's why I have like 4 probes. I have 3, with that one are 4. So it's not a link. I bought 4 different from different sellers just to be sure, I get something genuine. Jeremy, I can't go there. I try, but I can't go there. It's no cigarette anymore. I mean, I'm not smoking because I'm not smoking vape because I get used with the smoking thing. I'm smoking for the nicotine from the flavor, so it has to have like a real cigarette flavor. Don't have a good morning. Can you explain how to grease the CPU fan? iFix, you can try. This is dodgy. You can try to add some oil. You cannot open the fans anymore. You've seen that. So you just put oil inside and it will work for a while. But there you have some bearings and they are getting used. And that's the reason why the fans are dying. So just greasing the fan, it will do nothing. Moni from Pakistan, good morning. Rob, I'm not sure about that. I didn't have that one. Good morning. Emmanuel, good morning, guys. Really, Luchan? I mean, I keep my Windows updated. Mitch, good morning. Yeah, my hand is fine. Yeah, no issue with the hand. I still have like a missing, the finger didn't recover properly, but it's fine, no pain. Yeah, all good. Mr. Robot, good morning. So, guys, hopefully you have your coffee. What CPU stress test are you using? CPU Z. CPU Z. You have an option to stress a number of cores. Main lab, good morning, South Korea. What happened to your hand? A dodgy chainsaw. I'm new on your channel. Do you repair only laptops or other electronics? In the last period of time, I repair only laptops because I don't have space for anything else. But you will find videos with like TVs and different stuff on the YouTube channel. Alex, good morning. Very tasty coffee, EATs. Is there any adapter for SVOD 4? No, in sympathy. I don't know. I don't know nothing about this. If for SVOD 4, it's a Telegram group. So you can go there and try to ask them. Did you fix your UV light? No, I just, I'm using the other one. What GPU? I have a 3090, 3090. Phone repair course? You know phones. You know, in the past I loved phones, repairing phones. Like the way how the thing started like 20 years ago. And the phones were so nice. I mean, I never seen that kind of technology before. Like you see the RF, you have the RF amplifier, which is a big deal. And the new phones, they have like a big RF amplifier inside, and for me it was wow. Then you have a lot of like SAW filters and switches inside. But now everything goes like, okay, let's put everything on chips, and now it's nothing there, nothing to repair. I mean, they're not getting faulted so often. Phones are in pain, yeah. Are a pain in the ass, yeah, they are, and that's one reason why I'm trying to stay away from phones. I don't fix MacBooks anymore because everything is too small, and definitely I can't do phones anymore. Mike, good morning. So not sure what is the future of this. I mean, yeah, you can still replace like screens and batteries and different parts from the phone. But the motherboard itself, like, I'm referring strict to Apple. Probably Samsung is better, hardware-wise speaking. They're avoiding having a look, yeah? Not even considering repairing. I start removing CPU for knowledge. What is the model of the microscope? It's an AMScope. You'll find a video on YouTube about me unpacking the microscope. In Asian, there are phone repair competitions. I mean, it's worth. If you have a lot of time, probably it's worth. Did your live stream just die? Robert, if the live stream it will die, I will see first here. I have the bitrate on the OBS. but no, it's fine. Tracker in the laptop. That's kind of illegal to track a laptop. If you want to track your own laptop, probably AirTag or different kind of stuff like AirTags. It was down 30. So basically my OBS is telling me I have dropped 0 frames. Check here, 0. That means my live stream never stopped or drop frames. You can see 0. So must be from YouTube. Yeah, that's definitely a YouTube problem because my OBS and computer is sending the stream and send the stream to YouTube 100%. FLRN, good morning. Good morning. Keith, good morning. I didn't see you here. What we are doing today, Sunday, huh? What we are doing today? Maybe a barbecue? What we are doing today? That's the question. I was looking to show you something, but I don't remember what. Chilling and smoking a lot? Cut grass and barbecue? Yeah, I have to cut the grass, yeah. It's quite cloudy in Cambridge. Yard work? Yeah. Yeah, I have to cut the grass. Yeah, that's a must. Do you think the EC chip can be programmed directly with a programmer if we have the right socket? I mean, you can program by the keyboard connector. Spending time with the family? Yeah, it is perfect, yeah. You apply too much. If you apply too much, then the UV light, it will not reach inside. I had this problem. That's the reason why I replaced my UV gel. So I replaced the UV gel with the color one with a transparent one. So if it's transparent, it will reach inside. But like I said, you apply too much. If you apply like a tiny layer, it will get cured. Hard to say it, but the big one is the BIOS. The other one can be something else. So clearly the 74 is the BIOS, and the other one can be like PD controller firmware or GPU BIOS, or can be even another BIOS chip. Depends what laptop it is. Do you want to work? No, I'm not working today. I'm playing today. No, I'm not working. Not today, Mr. Mario. Not today. No. Do you have any videos where you program the AC chip through the keyboard connector? I think I have, because before the SVOD, I have some clone. SVOD free clone, and what I bought it from eBay for like £60, and yeah, I did program by the keyboard connector. Working Monday, yeah, I have to work Monday. Can be the easy firmware. Depends of the laptop. If it's like a proper new and expensive laptop, it is possible. Yeah. In Sympathy, that's a good idea. So sometimes I'm using hot air to help the curing. Yeah, that's a good idea. Um but is did you have access with Dell XPS or similar laptop, the Flex LVDC cable? Yeah. Batis, I have a video with Dell XPS, yeah, where actually was an anomaly with the main screen, and the main screen was taking a little bit more current. Now the Dell XPS, they have some current sensors, and if the screen is taking too much current, it will cut down the voltage on the screen. So you should have a look on that video. Yeah, well, the Dell XPS we know picture, and you'll not see the picture on the screen. So if you don't have backlight, probably you'll not see anything. Are you gonna upload anything? I did upload something, probably like 1 week ago. Yeah, I do have a plan with the ham radio channel to stream ham radio. So that's like a long term project, because we can't do all our life repairs. So at some point, I want to do ham radio. Do you have a video how to? No, really, it is a guy on our Discord. Mike has a YouTube channel. Just get on our Discord. Try to speak with him, because I know he is doing PD controller programming. I fixed some keyboards, Mr. B. Yeah, in the past, electronic keyboards. Tone Gravity, good morning. Yeah, no, but yeah. No, don't check the resistors. No, you missed the point. You have to check that video. That's very important. Yeah, I know. I'm waiting for the PoE too. Of course, I'm gonna start playing. I'm playing Last Epoch right now. I have like level 50. I am a Paladin, Knight Rider. I will play the Warpath build. Darius, Natsa. I have a HP, A40. Keeps turning on and off. After sometimes, that's the hardest fault to be fixed. After sometimes, so that means it's a random fault. I can't fix random faults. I don't take repairs, which they have random faults. Like sometimes turning off, or sometimes he's doing something. Coder, not sure what do you mean. Cutting the PCB. I'm not cutting PCBs. No, I'm not using that, Luis. No, I stopped TikTok years ago after I started. Yeah. Guys, hopefully you finished the coffee. Apple, good morning. Your Rebel Pro programmer, did it pass the self-diagnose test? Self-diagnose test? I don't know what is that, Sylvia. You have that kind of test? Turco. Haha, you are drinking. Ha. How you make a coffee? I have a coffee machine. I have a um, barista impresso espresso machine. Yeah. So this is my third coffee today. The first coffee was like 2 o'clock in the morning. Then I have another two now. Yeah. Definitely I'm an early bird. Yeah. You know, the night is so quiet. And when it's quiet, you can focus on some things like, I don't know. But I like when it's quiet. Apple Dash, yeah. It's a nice way to start the morning. Yeah, there is a. Okay, I'll check. I'll check, Silvio. I'll let you know next Sunday. I have an NLBA 1 license, the license finish. Um, for the NLBA, what it's worth, yeah, to buy, it's actually the 10 years license. Because for 10 years, it's coming like $70 per year. And definitely you will work more on 1 year. 1 year, you don't fix battery for $70. So definitely that's what it's worth, the 10 years one. Then you can have the license always on. Mail lab, you can ask. It's okay. No problem. Just ask. Takur, good morning. Live stream glitch? Oh, check here. Like 0 frames. You can see? 0 frames drop. I have no issues. It's something with YouTube. Can you buy the NLBA one and use a different software? Of course you can. But you can buy any box. You don't have to buy the box from the NLBA. I think they have an option. You can buy a different box and use with the NLBA software. So the issue is not the box. The problem is you will not find software to unlock the batteries. You can find software to read the batteries, but not to unlock, actually perform a reset. So that's the issue. Maybe they go out from the business. Thomas, that's a Romanian guy. Yeah, they are not going out of business. That's their business. Yeah, they don't have another business. I really doubt that. Have you looked inside of the box? Which box, Robert? I have a laptop with charging battery with 1.8. That's not charging. 1.8 volts on the battery, that's not charging. That's something else. You check the wrong thing. On the NLBA, I repair my NLBA. What do you mean? That's no secret. I made a video repairing my NLBA. I burned the USB chip twice on two different boxes. My computer say no battery present. Most likely the battery. Hey, good morning. Happy to see ham radio people here. No modification for it. I think I removed two resistors from the USB tracks, which was a bad idea, but anyway, it's working. Like old PSU. No, nothing like that. No. How did you burn the NLBA? So if you use the NLBA, and if I'm using the solder iron and I'm touching something with the solder iron, it's doing a spark, and it's dying the USB chip because it's a different ground from the solder iron and the computer. And even now it's not sorted, so I have to sort the ground. It's just a wire from the solder iron to the computer, so it will not spark anymore. Yeah, I have to do it. The best place to find genuine laptop batteries on second-hand laptops. That's all. I don't think you'll find to buy it. While installing the Windows, with only the power adapter connected to the laptop, and the laptop battery disconnected, my laptop shut down. The battery can get disconnected if it's too much current there. Like you have the first MOSFET shorted. Yeah. I managed to kill €250 FM transmitter amplifier module. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, you have the RF transistor, which are basically can be like a MOSFET or LDMOS. Yeah, LDMOS. I think that's how it's called. And they are very sensitive. Was it difficult to manage and have the repair shop? No. No issue. In Romania, it's easy to have your own business. The problem is, the people from the finance, they are coming, they are checking the paperwork with the money you have in the drawer. Happens so many times. Basically, this is what is killing the business back then. Yeah, that was something insane. You know what I mean? Always to check how much money you have on the drawer and how much money you have on the papers and on the. That was something crazy. I mean, I work here like 10 years. I never seen, someone to come and check how much money are on the drawer. That's insane. And I'm speaking about a shop which was in the middle of the town on a shopping center. I never seen someone to check. I never seen even the owner to check, okay, how much money you have on the what paper. We had no paper. We have a label machine, and that was the receipt for the customer. Yeah. Oh, Silvio. Definitely I understand that. Tax people, yeah. I never seen tax people here in UK. And I don't know how they look. I don't know. Never seen them. And because of that, the business are not stressed. I know, I understand exactly what you mean. When you go after people running businesses, then the things start, you know, going wrong. Because I have my business, and I have to have someone which always check the drawer with the paperwork and the receipts. I have to have a person only for that. No one is interested in program for unlocking battery that costs less than 800. Techno, you're not gonna find something like that. Everyone is interested, but you're not gonna find. I'm in USA, same thing. I think, yeah, you have the IRS there, right? Yeah, and everyone is scared by the IRS. Yeah. Yeah, I know. But not here. Here, everyone is relaxed. Everyone is running the business, and the only concern is actually the business itself. Nothing else. But yeah, even if you back in Romania, if you open a business, just do services. Yeah, if you do services, you are not a VAT payer, and everything is simple. Obviously, you don't want a VAT business because you are doing services. Yeah, that means you are not charging VAT, you are not paying VAT, and it's more simple. It's more simple. Yeah, I finished my coffee, guys. I can't believe we've been here like 50 minutes. Yeah, I have to go and cut the grass in the garden. Kind of like early. But yeah, didn't find any video modifying the NLBA on our channel. I think should be. Seems to look into unlocking the batteries. I can only hope, the competition can only bring the price down. So the competition is good. Yeah, definitely. Um, Guys, I'm gonna stop now. Okay. I just want to say thank you for being here, having a coffee with me. I will try to bring some nice content next week, and the repair tutorials are coming soon. Just give me like probably like one more month, and we're gonna have some tutorials for repairs. You aren't working today? Cutting the grass is not working. Come on, Mr. Mario. Emil, there is an online shop in Germany. You have original batteries? You know what's the thing? You don't even know what is original and what not. Because you can have a surprise, buy original battery, and they have the sticker made like original. But the battery is not original. So they are, replicating the sticker. Too early to cut the grass? Yeah, kind of early. Yeah, maybe I will wait 1 hour more. You don't even know what is genuine and what not. I'm watching videos like Facebook videos, like YouTube. You don't even know if the videos is legit or not. That's the thing. Everything in these days can be genuine or fake, and you'll not figure it out. MIG, thank you. Thank you very much. No, you don't have, it's okay, don't worry. More help it will come, more help. And I'll try to share whatever I know. I have no problem sharing. I'm happy to share what I know, and I'm happy to know what I'm sharing, is helping the others. That's the only thing what I can do to help. That's all. By knowledge. It's 73. Sorry, it's actually AI generated. Ha! I'm the only genuine thing here. Maz, good morning, Maz. I didn't see you. Maz is a nice French guy. Baguette. I have a question regarding your latest most repairs. Yeah, please ask, RB. Please ask. Put a shirt during the tutorial. Yeah, but the things can be, you can easily edit that out. If you have like a logo, yeah, you can easily edit that out. I can even do it myself. We are waiting for the RB question. Just shoot. The question was about the capacitors. You are taking spares from the other boards. Yeah, okay, and? What is the question? If I want to buy brand new ones, capacitors, you can, of course. Yeah, it is possible. I've seen some, laptops having 2 BIOS chips. Yeah. But just because you program the BIOS chip, that doesn't mean you'll take the password out if that's the idea. Which? It does matter which. I mean, that laptop, it will work with no problem without the capacitor. So if you want to replace the capacitor, just solder whatever you want. If you want to solder. If not, don't solder. But just try to find basically the capacitor. You take the size you want. Yeah. Okay, I want that size. Then you choose the voltage. Okay, what voltage I want? I want, like, let's say 40 volts. 40 volts, and that size, 40 volts, it's, and you pick up the highest capacity you can pick. How can I know which one? That's what I'm trying to tell you. Doesn't matter. You cannot fit any capacitor. So whatever capacitor you solder there, it's okay. It's, you know what I mean. It's making no difference. You have so many capacitors on a board. You have motherboard layers are formed like capacity form. You have layers on the motherboard. You can solder whatever capacitor you want. If you want to know exactly what capacitor was there, I mean, you can check the schematic and find exactly the value of the capacitor. But that's overkill to try to, replace the capacitor with exactly that another brand new capacitor, same capacity. Yeah, I do have few videos. The problem is, just because the laptop don't start, it's telling me nothing. Yeah, tell me what is the main power rail. Tell me what voltage you have on the power button. If you have a power button, if you don't have a power button, tell me what voltage do you have on the keyboard connector. If the power button is on the keyboard, and after that we can take a conclusion. But we have to know this data. Yeah, what is your main power rail? It is 19. The 3.3 is present. Yeah. Um, okay, guys. Huh? Um, I will say thank you for being here and having a coffee. Well, all the time I was on the top chat, not live chat. I can't believe. That's crazy. It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to thank me. So thank you for being here and having a coffee with me. And see you on the next one. I'm gonna try to find some nice. I still have few jobs which I have to fix them. I still have few recordings I have to edit and upload. But yeah, I'm gonna try to bring some nice content for you. Enjoy the Sunday. You too, guys. Thank you for being here. See you on the next one, right? Bye. Salute, salute.